Hello students, welcome back to my new video lesson. And this video lesson is especially for semester 2 students. The name of the topic is degrees of comparison. You know students, when you speak, you compare the people, you compare the things, you compare the situations. First of all, let us learn what is the usage of degrees. The usage are given, the full details are given about degrees of comparison. We use grades of qualities. We talk about qualities, then we use in degrees. You learn later what are the degrees. Also, you talk about quantities, then you use in degrees. Then also you talk about the sizes of the persons and the sizes of the places and the sizes of the things. So these degrees of comparison is very important if you want to make grades, if you want to make degrees. Alright. Well, with this example, then you can understand what is degrees of comparison. I have given here 3 examples. My first example is Pooja is a tall lady. So you talk about Pooja. Pooja is a tall lady. So you talk about Pooja positive. So it is in positive degree. My next example, Pooja is taller than Samantha. Here in second example, you compare two people. You compare the comparison between two people, Pooja and Samantha. Pooja is taller than Samantha. Don't forget students, so whenever comparative comes, than follows, alright. Then whenever you see than, then you can understand the sentence is in comparative degree, alright. Then my third example, Pooja is the tallest lady. Alright, so this is superlative degree. So whenever superlative degree comes, definitely the article comes, the definite article the comes. Alright. Well, now let's move to the formation of the degrees, the formation of the words which are in positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. I have given here details. Positive degree words, comparative degree words, and superlative degree words. If you don't know these words, if you don't practice with these words, you cannot move further. Alright. So this is very, very important. Basic is very, very important. Now, so I tell you one by one. My first example, great, greater, greatest. So these are examples are given for your practice. Okay. All the examples are given in positive degree. So I have written here again great, greater, greatest. Then you can practice longer, longest, short, shorter, shortest, clever, cleverer, cleverest. Alright. Now let's move to second example, brave, brave, bravest. So adding the letters in comparative and superlative degree, you can understand. Then examples are given here. Large, then you can change it to comparative and superlative degree. Larger, largest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Pure, purer, purest. Fine, finer, finest. Alright. Now let's move to my third example. Easy, easy, easier, easiest. Whenever we can see Y letter in positive degree, in the ending letter Y letter in positive degree, then in comparative and superlative degree, IE are letters end. Easier, easiest, as follows. Examples. Happy. Then you can say after me, happier, happiest. Heavy. Come on. Heavier, heaviest. Healthy, healthier, healthiest. Alright, students, you can see here the positive degree words ends with Y letter, Y letter, Y letter. Alright. Then now let's move to my fourth formation of words. Big, bigger, biggest. Then you can see in comparative degree, then one more G adds, one more letter adds. Bigger, biggest. Then you can say after me, I say you positive degree. Fat, fatter, fattest. Alright. Hot, hotter, hottest. Red, redder, reddest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Alright. Now let's move to my fifth example. Careful. In this formation, you can see in comparative and superlative degree, but you cannot write careful, carefuller, carefulest. Okay? Well, it is absolutely wrong, but in comparative and superlative degree, here more, most, let words add, like for example here, careful, more careful, most careful. Alright. Then as follows, you can say after me, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. You cannot say beautiful or beautifulest. Alright. Then useful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Then popular, more popular, most popular. Alright, my last example of the formation of the words in degrees of comparison. So this degrees of comparison method is called irregular comparison. Alright, in this example you can see different words in degrees. Good, better, best. Alright, then you can see in the example bad, bad. You cannot write bad or baddest. Alright. Bad, worse, worst. Like this. You can practice. You can buy her if it is possible. Then much, more, most. Then old, elder, eldest. Little, lesser, least. Okay, dear students, now let's move to another further studies of the degrees of comparison. Alright, dear students, now let's move to learn some rules in degrees of comparison. Alright, total there are 4 rules are there. I have written here 2 rules. Rule 1, rule 2. In rule 1 and rule 2, the comparison between 2 persons or 2 places. Alright. So when you compare between 2 persons, 2 places, 2 things, and don't forget there is no superlative degree. Alright. Well, this is very important. I again tell you, when you compare 2 persons, 2 places or 2 things, there is no superlative degree. Only positive degree and comparative degree. If positive degree is given, you can change into comparative degree. if comparative degree is given, we can change into positive degree, but there is no superlative degree. Alright. Well, it is very important. The rule 1, it is called unequal comparison, and rule 2, it is called equal comparison. In unequal comparison, it comes so as. Well, some people write as also. It is also correct. Alright. In rule 2, as comes. Equal comparison. Okay, dear students, I have written here, I have given one example to each rule. Rule 1, one example. Rule 2, one example. Rule 1, the example is, I have given in positive degree. Rajesh is not so clever as Rakesh. Alright, unequal comparison. So when you change from positive degree to comparative degree, some points you have to remember. Rajesh is not so clever as Rakesh. Alright, it is positive sentence. Positive sentence becomes negative sentence, and object, subject, subject, object, it becomes. Alright. So changing from positive degree to comparative degree, you can see the changes. Rakesh comes here. Rajesh goes here in the ending. And positive sentence here, not is given. Here again not is given. Clever becomes cleverer. So Rakesh is cleverer than. Okay, don't forget students, whenever comparative word comes, than follows. Alright. Rakesh is cleverer than Rajesh. Okay. Well, it is very simple if you follow the rules. Okay. I have given you practice also, practice sentences also. Okay. 2 sentences are given. So this is in positive degree. You can change into comparative degree following the rules. Alright. So this is in comparative degree, then you can change into positive degree following the rules. Alright. The next, rule 2. Rule 2 is also as same as rule 1. Alright. So here also object, subject, subject, object, it becomes. Alright. So positive sentence becomes negative sentence. Alright. So positive degree, I am as tall as she. She comes here. You can see here. She comes here. I goes here. Alright. She is not. Positive sentence becomes negative. And taller. Tall becomes taller because you are going to change into comparative degree. Than follows I. Well, you cannot write me. Some people write she is not taller than me. Okay. Well, it is in active voice and passive voice sentence. But here you cannot change anything. The word should be same. Alright. Then practice sentences also given here. 2 sentences. My first sentence, Prabhas is as clever as Arjun. So you can change into comparative degree. She is as beautiful as Shruti. It is in comparative degree, you can change into positive degree. Okay students, now let's move to rule 3. In rule 3, you can see here, I have written here, no other, any other, the best. No other comes in positive degree. any other comes in comparative degree, and the best means superlative degree. Okay, so where there is superlative degree, then the comes. Here see, the most beautiful. Alright, you can identify the sentence whether it is in positive degree or comparative degree or in superlative degree. How can you identify? There are ways. No other. If you identify no other, then you can think it is in positive degree. Also you can identify beautiful. So it is in positive degree. So the sentence is in positive degree. Alright. And in next sentence, you can see any other. So it is in comparative degree. Alright. Also you can identify more beautiful. So you can identify the sentence is in comparative degree. Alright, so well, it is very important you have to identify the sentence, in which sentence is it, in which degree is it. Alright, so you have to change from one degree to another degree. For example, the first sentence is in positive degree. No other place in India is as beautiful as Kashmir. So changing from positive degree to comparative degree, as you know the rule 1 and rule 2, object becomes subject, subject becomes object, changing some rules. Alright, see Kashmir object becomes subject here. Kashmir is more beautiful. Whenever comparative word is there, then follows, you know it. Then no other place in India, it is subject or object, no other place in India becomes any other place in India. Alright, then changing from to comparative degree to superlative degree, Kashmir is, what is the superlative form of the word? The most beautiful. Alright, Kashmir is the most beautiful place in India. Okay, dear students, so you have to follow these rules. No other, let's see, positive degree, any other, comparative. The best means superlative. Okay. Okay, dear students, now let's practice the rule 3. First sentence, Vamshi is the best singer in the class. So you can identify it is in superlative degree because the best word is there. So you can change from superlative degree to positive degree and to another degree, comparative degree. First let us change to positive degree. So changing to positive degree here starts with no other. Already I have shown you in the example also here. No other singer in the class. Okay, no other singer in the class is as good as Vamshi. Alright. Then comparative degree. Vamshi is better than any other singer in the class. This is. And also you can practice second sentence, third sentence. I can tell you. No other cricketer is as good as Sachin. It is in positive degree because no other is there. So change from positive degree to comparative and superlative degree. First, let us change to comparative degree. So any other, you can remind any other. Well, changing object, subject. Sachin is better than any other cricketer. Well, you can add in the word. Alright. Sachin is better than any other cricketer in the world. Then also you can change to superlative degree. Sachin is the best cricketer in the world. Then the third example, it is given in comparative degree. How can you identify it is in comparative? Because any other, you have seen any other phrase. Also you have seen here greater, it is in comparative degree. So the sentence is in comparative degree. So you can change from comparative degree to positive and superlative degree. And well, what is the rule? See, I change into positive degree. No other, starts with no other. No other poet in English. Okay, so any other poets in English comes here. No other poet in English is as great as John Keats. Alright. So you should know great, greater, greatest. Okay. So any other poets in English comes here. No other poet in English is as good, as great as John Keats. Alright. Okay, dear students, now let's move to rule 4. Alright. In rule 4, you can see here in positive degree very few comes, in comparative degree many other comes, in superlative degree one of the comes. Alright, you can see, you can identify like this also, big, bigger, biggest. Okay, changing from positive degree to comparative degree. In positive degree, so you can see here very few, many other, sometimes most other also, it is also correct. Alright. And in superlative degree, one of the comes. Object, subject, subject, object. Mumbai comes here. Object, subject. Alright. Mumbai is bigger than follows. Very few cities of India changes into many other cities of India. Alright, it has changed into comparative degree. Now, superlative degree. Mumbai is one of the biggest cities of India. In rule 3, you cannot write one of them. In rule 3, you can write only the biggest. Mumbai is the biggest cities of India. So it is in rule 3. But in rule 4, one of the adds. Well, I have given you practice also here, 3 sentences. Okay. So by using the rules, okay, rule number 4, we can change from one degree to another degree. The first example, it is given in superlative degree. You can change it to another degrees by following rule 4 rules. Okay. And the second sentence, it is given in comparative degree. You can change it to another degrees. And also the third example, it is given in positive degree. You can change it to another degrees. Alright, dear students. Well, it keeps me end of my grammar part. The name of the topic is degrees of comparison. And this is especially for semester 2 students, not only for semester students, but also for the candidates who are attending any type of competitive examinations. Alright, thank you for watching. Keep watching my video lessons regularly.